Hi everybody, it's Deb from DnDArtGallery. Hope you're all doing well today. Today I have a 12 by 16 staple back canvas, and I've put a thin layer of white paint down, and we'll go over my paints in a minute. And I'm going to do a jiggle waterfall pour, and I've never done one of these, so it's experiment for me. Let's go over my paints. My white paint is 50% Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White, and then 50% milk paint made by Rustoleum. And I've bought two of the Rustoleum milk paints. This is the white, and I've also found it in navy. The rest of my paints are Amsterdam turquoise green, Liquitex Basics primary yellow, Artist Loft metallic leaf green, which is one of my favorite colors, Artist Loft metallic blue, DecoArt worn penny, and my gold is a combination. They're both FolkArt, and one is 14 karat gold and the other is Glam gold. And with the Glam gold, I just added a little teeny dab to it. It's pretty sparkly. And pouring medium is a little bit different today. I made a new pouring medium of 12 ounces of Floetrol, 8 ounces of glue, and I am trying the school glue, not the Elmer's glue all. So we'll see how this goes. And I made my paints a little bit on the thin side today because I don't want any cracking. And then 4 ounces of water. So it's 12 ounces Floetrol, 8 ounces of the school glue, 4 ounces of water, and I did add a squirt of GAC 800 in all my paints. No silicone today, but some of them, like I said, I thinned with my normal mixture of 90% water, 10% Floetrol. So let's get started. Like I said, this is a 12 by 16, and I'm going to fill 1 cup. So like I said, my white paint does have the milk paint in it. We'll see if this gives any different kind of effect or not, like a cloudy effect, or see what we get. I like this worn penny color. It's like copper, but it has more of the brown in it, which is nice. Just pouring my paints down the side of the cup here. I think I'll have plenty of paint. for this canvas, this size canvas. I think when one of my first videos I had given a formula for figuring out how many fluid ounces you needed for your canvas. I can mention that again. It's the width and the length of your canvas, just times those together and then divide that by 28, and that will give you the fluid ounces that you will need to cover your canvas. And then I always add a little bit extra especially if you're covering your sides. Just use up my paints here. A little bit of yellow left. I didn't show you the consistency of my paints, but it didn't even leave a mound. Just about finished up here. I think I'll just end with a little bit of white. Okay. And I will put this little cup under here because it's going to be a waterfall pour. So get started here. And I have my dog right under my feet today. And I think I am going to have to run a lot of this paint off of the canvas today. I'm just afraid of cracking with the school glue. I've never used school glue before. I know Julie Cutts has been using it, and I've been watching her videos, and she doesn't seem to have a problem with it. So I'm hoping that's the case here. Okay. Going to tip it back this way a little bit, get it more in the middle. And I think I will torch. Okay. Take my little cup off. And start tipping. Try and go in a round fashion here at first. Try and get this corner now. Bring it back to the middle. And I'll get my far corner here. And bring it back to the middle. And then I will get this far corner now over here. And bring it back. Bring it back into the center. I think I'll run just a little bit more off of this end over here. And bring it back. Okay, I'm going to take a look at it here for a minute. And check my corners, my edges. A lot of really neat things going on here. Very pretty. I'm going to torch it. And this is the effect that we're getting from the milk paint in here. I really think this turned out nice. And I'm going to clean off the bottom here. Check those edges one more time. And the corners. Just check a minute here, the composition. think it's really, really pretty. And I will get you down for a close-up and we can go over what's all going on with this painting. Again, this was a 12 by 16 canvas. And here is the upper left-hand corner. And we'll come down. So pretty in here. That blue and the green together is just really pretty. Here's the lower left-hand corner. And then I'll take you up the middle here. Right in here is really pretty too. Different color, the blue and the different color greens there. This is really neat up here. This is the upper right hand corner, and just a lot going on there, but so nice. Really pretty. I love that blue color there. This is nice in here too. There's even some little column cells going on here. And the lower right hand corner. Overall, I'm really pleased with this painting. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Share, subscribe if you haven't. Make sure you ring the bell and choose all so you'll know the next time that I do post a new video. And until next time, take care everybody. Bye.